Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. Let's take a look again on euro currency. So you can see that the statistics that have been released recently drastically has changed overall background. Well, in general, actually we haven't counted on the reversal as we said yesterday and before that. So that was very short-term tactical trade that we have put in place in the recent few sessions. Well, we have to acknowledge that, well, we have to actually out at the break-even with this trade because XOP has not been reached just for 10-12 pips. Market was just missed probably an hour or maybe 2 hours to complete this target. The statistics have been released earlier. Maybe you maybe were able to grab some profit because entry was correct, but we haven't quite reached the XOP target. So if you have closed before the date release, then probably you're in some positive result on this trade. But this is actually on the gold the same story. So market was moderately up with our entry, but this drastic collapse just finished both trades at the break-even. So what we have here, as you can see, that external intruding of the statistics that we've got, well, significantly changed the overall background. And currently, yesterday it was, I would say, kind of the reversal of the reversal. So you can see here was minor reversal candle, and yesterday it was absolutely something outstanding. So it was greater than the previous top right there, and it collapsed and engulfing almost the whole trading week inside of this range. Market dropped from the confluence and once again hit the oversold area. In the current circumstances, of course, we're not considering taking any new long position on the daily chart. Daily and 4-time frame chart, and mostly we'll be watching for pullback to consider possible downward and taking the short position with a possible downward continuation here. It means that the reaction on the strong weekly resistance continues. So this was the technical bounce that we worked out, and that is actually continuation of the major tendency. So that's the things that we will be watching for. So today I do not see many things to do. It's just because markets tend to oversold, and it's not a really good point for taking the new short positions. You need to get some pullback to consider the new entry. On the long side, we can't take the positions just because we do not have any bullish directional patterns, and trend stands also bearish. On the 4-time frame chart, that's what we have right now with the levels. Today maybe we will get some kind of minor pullback. Supposedly it might be 10.25, 10.30. 10.70 is great level, it's confluence, but chances that it will be pullback right there now stands less than to the nearest level. And in fact, with this recent performance, we probably could start watching for something of this sort. The minimum targets, maybe it will be even lower to the XOP, we will see it later. But currently it seems that target stands around 109 area, 108.95. So, and this is very close to the FIB support level. As you can see, 108.80, just 20 pips, 20 pips difference. So will be some kind of the agreement. But as I said, today we probably do nothing. That just we need to get pullback by the entry, and actually it increased potential of the possible downward trade in this current circumstances. Acceleration here looks very great. So that's the things that we could keep an eye on. On the hourly chart, we do not have something really special. You could see the performance of our trading of this pullback. So that was our entries around 10.60, as we said, this minor pullback out from this resistance level. So when the market reversed, our position already was in the break-even, protected with the break-even stops, and as you can see, this just 12 pips until the XOP. So it's just lack of time. This market definitely should touch it if we wouldn't have any. But this should and would, it's of course not relates to reality. This is most lyrics. So this happens as it has happened. So it just collapsed. Anyway, this was great experience, and in general was not bad trade at all. So currently market stands as they were sold, as I said, and this, you can take a look, it accurately keeps this lower border of this channel. So also touch it. If you're a scout trader, trade on the hourly chart and lower time frame, 5-minute chart, few minute chart, 15-minute chart, you probably could try to find something here. Maybe it will be the head and shoulders with the minor ABCD right to the 10.25, 10.30 area. That's the trade you theoretically could do, but this has no relation to our major scenario. So this is just some kind of the additional trade that you could take on lower time frame if you would like to. But in general, everything stands as I just said. So we are not considering taking any longs. We're waiting for the pullback to consider taking the short position. Supposedly, the first level that may be interesting to us is around 10.30. So if it will be 10.70, confidence resistance, all the better. But something tells me that probably it hardly will be as stronger pullback this time. So let's keep watching.